Hello and welcome to Quick and Easy Recipes. Today, I'm excited to share with you a simple and nutritious green salad with chia seeds and olive oil. This salad is perfect for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight while enjoying a delicious meal. Let's get started. Here are the fresh ingredients you'll need for this vibrant green salad: spinach, kale, ripe avocados, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, chia seeds, extra virgin olive oil, and a fresh lemon. Step 1. Wash and prepare the greens. First, let's wash our greens. Thoroughly rinse the spinach and kale under cold running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Once clean, let them drain and then roughly chop them into bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Slice the veggies and avocado. Next, we'll prepare our vegetables and avocado. Slice the cucumber and tomatoes into thin rounds. For the avocado, slice it in half, remove the seed, and carefully cut it into thin slices. Step 3. Combine ingredients in a bowl. Now let's combine everything in a large mixing bowl. Add the chopped spinach and kale, followed by the sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and avocado. Sprinkle a generous amount of chia seeds over the top. Step 4. Dress the salad. To dress our salad, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over the ingredients. If you like a citrusy kick, squeeze a bit of fresh lemon juice into the bowl. Gently toss everything together to ensure the salad is evenly coated with the dressing. Final presentation of the salad. And there you have it, a fresh and nutritious green salad with chia seeds and olive oil. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with fiber and healthy fats, making it a perfect meal for weight management and overall health. Enjoying the salad? Enjoy this wholesome salad as a light lunch or a side dish for dinner. It's easy to make, delicious, and incredibly good for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Quick and Easy Recipes for more healthy and delicious recipes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.